Hey, what's up, Reef Finance holder? So today we talk about the Reef Finance coin, my brothers, to what's going on this time in Reef Finance. And Reef Finance is totally losting now, so therefore the video is going to be very special. Absolutely, the holders are doing very huge mistakes. So I will be try to, my brothers, you will be safe from loss now. So this time, my brother, last 1 hour and especially the last 24-hour chart are completely negative now. But in last 7 days, 2.81% profit. So that's a really great news for all of you, my brothers, to refinance will get a profit in last 7 days. But my brother, make sure be ready, my brother, for loss now in upcoming time. There is a chances to 1 week they will more fails down, but definitely you need, my brothers, to hold now. If you hold, if you my friend, invest more and more, so they will starting moving in upward direction. And definitely at the mid of month, my brother, every coin will starting moving in upward direction. So therefore I know to upcoming time, my brother, refinance will starting moving in upward direction. But that's all, just in all, my friends, need your investment you are holding now. So holders, please, if you have any plan to invest for a long time, so I think please there is a no chance you will be selling. But if you have plan, my brothers, to invest for a short time, so kindly wait for the end of month. I hope, my brothers, they will give you a profit now. Please don't sell it before the end of month and wait for the end of month. Thanks for watching. If you have any question about refinance coin, any problem, please ask me. And just in only you need to follow this channel. I hope you will get a profit every month, every day, every second now. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz. Take care.